Imagine stepping into your yard on a warm summer evening. The sun is setting, your kids are laughing, steaks are sizzling on the grill, and not a single mosquito dares to bother you. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a natural mosquito barrier using 10 plants that actually work. Most people think citronella candles and chemical sprays are the answer. They're wrong. Those things smell terrible and can even irritate your kids and pets. Last summer, I turned my mosquito-infested backyard into a peaceful family oasis with just these 10 plants. We went from 30+ bites a night to almost zero without a single chemical. Everything I'm sharing is pulled straight from Mississippi State University Extension and Rutgers University studies. No hype, just real science. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your worst mosquito nightmare. Let's dive in. Number 1. Lavender, the purple powerhouse. This fragrant perennial is perfect for busy families because it's drought-tolerant once established and needs just one quick pruning a year. The beautiful purple spikes release a scent that mosquitoes absolutely hate, but we humans find incredibly calming. Lavender contains linalool and linaloyl acetate, compounds that naturally repel mosquitoes, according to Mississippi State University Extension. Plant lavender in full sun with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Water deeply once a week the first growing season, then drop to every 2 to 3 weeks once it's settled in. It grows 2 to 3 feet tall and wide, blooming from late spring through early summer. A mature plant can create a protective zone up to 10 feet around it. The biggest mistake people make is overwatering. It causes root rot fast. If leaves start turning yellow, stop watering for 2 weeks and check your drainage. When I planted mine along the patio last spring, my wife and I finally sat outside at dusk without swatting once. It felt like pure magic. Pro tip: harvest the flowers just as they start to open, dry them in little bundles, and make natural mosquito-repelling sachets for your porch chairs. Number 2. Marigolds, the orange protectors. These cheerful annuals are perfect for busy families because they're incredibly forgiving and bloom non-stop with almost no work. Marigolds release pyrethrum-like compounds through their roots and leaves that mosquitoes can't stand. Mississippi State Extension calls them a solid natural barrier. Plant marigolds after the last frost when soil hits 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Space them 8 to 10 inches apart in full sun. They tolerate most soils but love good drainage. Water when the top inch feels dry, usually 2 to 3 times a week. They grow 6 to 18 inches tall and bloom from planting until frost. A thick border can cut mosquito activity dramatically in that area. Biggest mistake? Planting them too deep and causing stem rot. Keep them at the same depth as the nursery pot. When I lined my kids' play path with marigolds, they ran barefoot for the first time all summer without a single bite. I actually teared up watching them. Pro tip: choose French marigolds, Tagetes patula. They have the strongest mosquito-repelling power. Number 3. Rosemary, the aromatic evergreen. This Mediterranean herb is perfect for busy families because it's drought-tolerant, lives for years, and doubles as dinner seasoning. Rosemary's essential oils, including rosmarinic acid, overwhelm mosquitoes' senses. Rutgers University lists it as a reliable deterrent. Plant in spring after last frost in full sun, 6 to 8 hours. Space 2 to 3 feet apart in well-draining soil. Water deeply once a week at first, then every 10 to 14 days. It grows 3 to 5 feet tall and wide and can live 15 to 20 years. One mature bush protects about a 12-foot zone. Biggest mistake? Overwatering. Yellow leaves mean cut back immediately. I planted one right by the grill, and now I cook outside without constantly slapping my neck. My steaks taste better, and my stress is gone. Pro tip: crush a few leaves before your next backyard gathering. The burst of oil sends mosquitoes flying.
Number 4. Catnip, the surprising defender. This mint family perennial is perfect for busy families because it's low maintenance and drop tolerant once established. Catnip contains nepentolactone. Rutgers University studies proved it's up to 10 times more effective than DEET at repelling mosquitoes. Plant in spring or fall in full sun to partial shade. Space 18 to 24 inches apart in average, well-draining soil. Water regularly the first season, then only during droughts. It grows 2 to 3 feet tall and spreads, best in a big pot if you don't want it everywhere. A small patch cuts landings by up to 80% in a 10-foot radius. Pro tip, keep it in pots near doorways. My big orange cat thinks it's heaven, and we get bite-free evenings. Best of both worlds.
Number 5. Lemon Balm, the citrus shield. This mint family plant is perfect for busy families because it grows fast, smells like fresh lemonade, and is super easy. Lemon balm is loaded with citronella, the same compound in commercial repellents, and releases it naturally all day. Plant after last frost in partial shade to full sun. Space 12 to 18 inches apart in rich, well-draining soil. Water regularly at first, then once a week deeply. It grows 1 to 3 feet and spreads, so contain it in pots. One plant protects a 5 to 8 foot zone. When I brushed the leaves near my kids' swing set, the citrus cloud kept bugs away, and my little ones finally played until dark without crying. Pure joy. Pro tip, crush leaves and rub on skin. Natural repellent that lasts up to 2 hours.
Number 6. Basil, the edible protector. This annual herb is perfect for busy families because it's easy, gives you fresh pesto, and needs almost no care. Basil releases eugenol, citronella, and limonene. Mosquitoes hate the combo. Plant after last frost when soil is 50 degrees Fahrenheit plus. Space 12 to 18 inches apart in full sun. Water when top inch is dry. Grows 1 to 2 feet and keeps producing until frost. A border can drop mosquito activity significantly. Biggest mistake? Not pinching often enough. It gets woody and loses oils. I pinch every couple weeks for pesto and stronger protection. My Italian nights are now peaceful and delicious. Pro tip, cinnamon basil has the highest repellent power. Number 7. Lemon thyme, the creeping defender. This perennial ground cover is perfect for busy families because it's drought tolerant, needs zero pruning, and smells amazing when you walk on it. Lemon thyme is packed with citronella oil that releases even more when stepped on. Plant after last frost in full sun. Space 12 to 18 inches apart in well-draining soil. Water deeply once a week at first, then every 10 to 14 days. Grows just 3 to 6 inches tall but spreads into a weed-suppressing mat. I planted it between stepping stones. Every barefoot walk now releases a lemon burst that keeps mosquitoes away. My kids love stomping the bug shield. Pro tip, put it on pathways so footsteps do the work for you. Number 8. Peppermint, the cooling repellent. This vigorous perennial is perfect for busy families because it grows like crazy, smells fresh, and does double duty. Peppermint's menthol is so strong mosquitoes avoid it completely. Plant in partial shade to full sun. Space 18 to 24 inches. Contain in pots, it spreads. Water to keep soil moist at first. Grows 1 to 2 feet and protects a 10-foot radius. Pro tip, rub a leaf on your arms. Instant spa feel and bug-free skin. My mojitos taste even better now. Number 9. Garlic, the pungent protector. This bulb is perfect for busy families because it's set it and forget it, and you get free garlic for cooking. Garlic's allicin sulfur compounds make mosquitoes detour around your yard. Plant cloves in fall or early spring, 2 inches deep, pointed end up. Space 4 to 6 inches apart in full sun, water 1 inch per week, grows 1 to 2 feet tall, clusters create a real mosquito wall. Biggest mistake? Using grocery store garlic treated with sprout inhibitors. Buy seed garlic. I planted around our seeding area and neighbors asked what my secret was. Pro tip, line pathways to force mosquitoes to go around your family zone. Number 10. Lantana, the colorful defender. This drought-tolerant perennial is perfect for busy families because it blooms non-stop in heat, needs almost no care, and looks like a party. Lantana releases lantanidine compounds that mosquitoes and insects dislike. Plant after last frost in full sun, space 18 to 24 inches apart in well-draining soil, water deeply once a week at first, then every 10 to 14 days. Grows just 3 to 6 inches tall but spreads into a weed-suppressing mat. I planted it between stepping stones. Every barefoot walk now releases a lemon burst that keeps mosquitoes away. My kids love stomping the bug shield. Pro tip: put it on pathways so footsteps do the work for you. That's all 10 plants mosquitoes hate. Each one builds its own protective barrier, but combining 3 to 4 together, lavender plus marigolds plus rosemary plus lemon thyme, works even better. That's what gave my family our 90% bite-free summer. Start with whichever one excites you most: lavender for fragrance, basil for cooking, or lemon thyme for pathways. Which plant are you planting first? Comment below with your growing zone or country. I read every single one. If you find this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Peaceful Green Gardens, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. All the science comes from Mississippi State University Extension and Rutgers University. Links in the description so you can check yourself. Happy planting, friends! Go take your backyard back and make it a peaceful green garden. See you soon!